Turn on Facebook Professional Mode and enable the follow button. Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on the follow button for your Facebook profile by enabling Professional Mode. We'll begin with the first of two methods. So the task is to replace the Add Friend button with a follow button. Alright, first, open your Facebook profile and click on the three-line menu at the top right corner. From there, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Under Settings, scroll to Audience and Visibility. And under Who can send you friend requests, choose Friends of Friends. You can also choose between Friends or Only Me for the other options. Move on to the Post settings. Here, you'll see the option Who can see your future posts. Change this from Friends to Public, and then save your settings. Lastly, under Followers and Public Content, choose Public for the Who can follow me options. Go back to the home page. Click your profile icon, then tap the three dots next to Edit Profile. Select View As, and you'll see that the Follow button is now displayed instead of the Add Friend button, allowing people to follow you. The second method is much easier. Click on your Facebook profile from the home page, click on the three dots next to Edit Profile, and choose the last option to activate Professional Mode. Select the View As option, and you'll notice the Follow button.